For a charity fun run in Manila, registration increases steadily each day. On the first day, 45 participants register and the number of registrants increases by 8 participants per day. How many participants registered from the 5th to the 18th day? So the given 45 participants on the first day, so that's A sub 1, increases by 8, so that's the common difference. And then how many participants from the 5th to the 18th? So that's A sub 5 plus A sub 6 up to the A sub 18, which is actually S sub 18 minus S sub 4. S sub 4 is A sub 1 plus A sub 2 plus A sub 3 plus A sub 4. So first, let us solve for S sub 18. We'll still use the same formula here. S sub n equals n over 2 times 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So first, S sub 18 is 18 over 2 times 2, a sub 1 is 45 plus 18 minus 1 times the common difference, which is 8. So this is 9 times 90 plus 17 times 8 is 56, carry 5, 13. So 90 times plus 136 is 226 times 9 is 54, carry 5, 23, carry 2, 20. 2034. Next is S sub 4. S sub 4 is 4 over 2. This is n over 2 times 2a sub 1, 45, plus 4 minus 1 times the common difference, which is 8. So this is 2 times 90 plus 3 times 8 is 24. 90 plus 24 is 114. 2 times 114 is 228. And then we subtract 228 from 2034. 2034 minus 228, that's 6018. 1806. 1806. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!